How to log in to Sephora account. So if you want to log in to your Sephora account, then first of all open up your browser and then go for the search bar and search for Sephora, and then go for the first search, which is www.sephora.com. And if you want to sign into your account, then here on the upper right you will have sign in option. Click on sign in. And then to sign into your account, first enter your email address and then your password. And if you want to save your sign in information, then click on this box, and after entering your information you can click on sign in. But if you have not created your account yet, then you can click on create account and then you can create your Sephora account. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on that and then you can enter your email address. Click on send email and you will get link to reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you sign into your Sephora account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.